To recap, Matt, we've had gobs of snow. Now we have flooding. We're talking landslides, sinkholes, avalanche risk.
Yeah, right?
What's next? Lions, tigers, and bears?
We're off to see the wizard, I guess. Yeah, no, it's pretty wild out there. And it's going to remain this way for the next couple of days. But then it's going to calm down and stay fairly mellow, I think, for several days in a row. Not mellow at the coast right now. It's been raining hard. Winds out of the south at 23. It is warmer there. Wait to see what the freezing level is done. It's an amazing rise in just 12 hours. Rain in the valleys. It's becoming a little bit lighter. At times, it's just drizzle. Other times, it's coming down pretty hard. But watch the Cascades. We go from seeing a lot of white on the map here to seeing, there we go, and see how that white just gets pushed east and recedes and is taken over by the green, an indication of the warming that is on the way. 1.1 inches of rain in Portland today since midnight. That is a record for the day. We also broke the record for rainfall in downtown Portland. Second day this week. Remember, was it Monday? We had over 2 inches of rain in downtown Portland. So again, it's just been an absolute soaker, off to a really wet start, which, you know, we do need the rain in the rainy season. But there is a flood watch out now. This is for the major rivers, say the Clackamas, the rivers that drain the Coast Range. There's also a flood advisory for smaller streams and urban flooding too. So that's the flood situation. We've got a high wind watch for the area in yellow here, including the coast and the Coast Range. That's for Friday. So, you know, we got all these watches and warnings for tomorrow, but then there's Friday weather showing up as well. Winter weather advisory continuing for the Cascade foothills and the winter storm warning in the Cascades, but the snow level is rising. Now, temperatures will be rising in the valleys. We make it up to 50 by noontime tomorrow. Sunrise still at 7:50, but in a couple of days, it's going to start to get earlier. These are our latest sunrises of the year. Sunset's already getting earlier, and temperatures getting warmer. 53 by 5 o'clock tomorrow. It's going to be a really rainy day. So we're under, it's interesting because it's more of a west-northwesterly flow than it is a southwesterly flow, but it's warmed up. We have all this warm air to the south that's pushed on up over our region. Still a lot of cloud cover out here. The main front, cold front's out there, and it's going to be Friday before we see that roll on through. In the meantime, this warm front sort of hung up, and it's very effective at producing precipitation. It will warm us up as it passes on through tomorrow, and the heavy rain will lift north tomorrow into Washington. Now, Portland, I don't think we really get out of it. Either way, it's going to be a wet day. Then watch what happens here. See this closed white circle there? That's the center of a storm, and it tracks right into western Washington here. This will be a good south wind event for the coast. That's why we have that high wind watch up there. The valley's likely getting gusts of 30, maybe 40 miles an hour, and gusts of 50 or 60 on the beaches. But again, that's Friday morning. Tomorrow is just wet, not that windy. And then after that system goes through Friday night and Saturday, the snow levels drop, and we get snow again down to 3,000 feet. So even though we're getting rain hammer on the snow right now, skiers don't worry about that because we'll get a good 4, 8, maybe 10 inches to freshen things up for the weekend. And the weekend, it dries out. There's sunshine on Sunday, perhaps a touch of rain Monday. I think that's highly in question. I think we'll actually stay dry Monday, Tuesday, and beyond. Then we haven't even talked about this yet. The ice in the gorge. Now, this is an update of our high-resolution models showing even more icing, upwards of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of ice in the gorge by noon tomorrow. Hopefully, we don't get that much. I think it'll be more like 1/4 of an inch to maybe 4/10 of an inch. And then the rainfall going forward, we're looking at another 3/4 of an inch in Portland, another 2-3 inches at Astoria, another 3-4 inches in the Coast Range. Long-range pattern, there's the warm, wet weather that we're going to get tomorrow, and then cooler on Friday, and then big area high pressure seems to develop over us for several days ahead, beginning really Saturday and lasting into Sunday. We hit 43 today, but we'll be 10 warmer than that tomorrow. Outside right now, it's foggy. It's cool because of that east wind. That east wind will give way to a south wind during the day tomorrow. All right, then. Rain tonight, rain tomorrow. Again, temperatures, lows about where they are. I'll be rising during the morning. Get up to about 53 in Portland tomorrow, 55 in Salem probably, 49 on Friday with showers and windy weather. Then Saturday, mostly sunny. Same thing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're going to hold on to that dry weather as long as we can. We'll get a little January break, Laurel.
Matt, all those sun symbols, they're blinding me.
It's freaking you out, isn't it?
It is. We'll be right back.